16 स्पाइसेस का अरोमा ले रहा हूं मैं, ओके। 16 स्पाइसेस से ये मंत्रा का चिकन मसाला बनता है विथ टॉप ऑफ द लाइन टेक्नोलॉजी। दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। I'm actually making one of my favorite chickens, okay? It's called Saag chicken. Saag means what? Green. You can put whatever greens you want, okay? Now today I'm using some lovely amaranth here. I'm using palak and I'm using a little bit of methi. Sometimes we like to add some suha bhaji to it, which is dill leaves. Sometimes we like to add a little bit of mint, some coriander. The choice is yours. So literally I've got about 100 grams of lovely amaranth leaves. I have almost the same amount, like literally one handful like this, okay? About 50 to 80 grams of palak. And then I've got just thodi si, okay? A little bit of methi. So if you want to do a methi chicken, you know what to do. Add more methi. You want to do a palak chicken, add more palak. If you want to do a saag chicken, add a nice combination. Very simple, okay? So now one thing is that when you are actually blanching green veg, I always make sure that I have some ice, okay? Isme I don't know if I did, but we're going to be adding a little bit of salt to this as well, okay? So literally when they say arey palak itni jaldi, this is the way I like to cook my greens, because greens ka kya hai that when you cook them too much they lose their nutrition. Now here I've got a perfect balance of this recipe where अभी हम इसे blanch कर देते हैं literally like this and then shock it in ice water. It's very important that you have this setup, okay? Now here we go. We've got all our perfect. So this is done. Now once this is in here, इसको हम ठंडा कर रहे हैं, okay? Now why are we ठंडाfying it? We are ठंडाfying it because we want to stop the cooking, keep all the nutrients, keep the color and of course the flavor, okay? Now ये palak chicken which I'm making, I'm using some really nice chicken thighs which I've cut into cubes. Now until I'm actually using the chicken, it's in my fridge there. So we are all sorted. So we've got all our lovely greens, okay? Eat more greens. Now if you want to get a little bit experimental, you can also add sometimes lettuce leaves. You know, lettuce leaves kabhi purane ho jate hain. They get old, they get a little discolored. Very simple. Olive oil and butter, garlic, chilies, lettuce, saute, salt and pepper. Perfect. Nothing goes into the bin. That's the main idea. तो हमने ये जो हमारी greens है हमने blanch कर ली है. Now somebody must be asking what is blanching? Now the process of blanching involves that immediately cooking vegetables quickly in boiling salted water, after which it is removed and shocked in cold water. So this is exactly blanching. Blanching से overcooking कम हो जाती है. Flavor intact रहता है. You are not overcooking, you are keeping the nutrition, the color, you know, and the other things which we need as well. So I have kept a little bit of water in this, okay? थोड़ा सा इसे पानी रखा है. And let's do one thing. I'm going to blend it and come back right now. तो मेरी I'll be back. So once हम इसका प्यूरे बना देते हैं, उसके बाद हम चालू करेंगे हमारा lovely lemon chicken, and then it's going to be a saag and lemon chicken. That's creativity. क्या साग है, वाह मजा आ गया. Saag lemon chicken using Mantra chicken masala. It doesn't get better than that, right? So chicken, very, very simple, quick recipe, great for tiffins also, great for schools, great for a party, okay? Now literally, from one recipe you can make two dishes. Sorry, from one dish you can make two recipes. एक तो हमारा लेमन चिकन हो जाएगा, वो अलग रेसिपी है, और ये साग चिकन हो जाएगा, वो भी अलग रेसिपी है. कॉमनैलिटी क्या है? This, okay? You can do both these with this. Imagine. So we've got about 450 to 500 grams of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, cut into small 2 inches to 3 inch chunks. उसमें हम डालेंगे almost like a tablespoon and a half of जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट, बस वही चाहिए हमें, और थोड़ा सा नमक तो ओके, और थोड़ी सी हल्दी, बस बस ठीक है। तो ये हमारी बेसिक मैरिनेशन जो है हमने कर ली है। आई एम गोइंग टू बी एडिंग अ फ्यू चिलीज जस्ट हियर, ब्यूटीफुल। So we have our chicken ready, lemons will go later, and let's start cooking. So first things first, you have a choice: olive oil, butter, ghee, a mixture of all, kachi ghani ka, mustard oil will go also very well with this, trust me. Okay, so I've got about a tablespoon and a half of oil here. Okay, I would say about a tablespoon. Okay, to this एक छुम जीरा का थोड़ा सा तड़का, लवली। देन हमारी मिर्ची डाल दी हमने। सो वंस द cumin starts cracking along with the chili, it's time to add 1 to 2 medium-sized onions chopped. Okay, so literally 2 medium-sized onions chopped. What you can do is sometimes you can add spring onions, a combination of onions and spring onions. At the end of the day, boss, listen, recipes are just guidelines, okay? Then you can mix and match, and depending on कहाँ रहते हो, मौसम क्या है, कौन खाने वाला है, कौन कितना खाने वाला है, based on that बस ingredients आ जाते हैं, very simple. So we've got this really nice bhunawing happening over here. Now remember, I already have ginger and garlic in my chicken. I'm adding another teaspoon here, okay, हमारे base के लिए. So we're going to lightly saute this, and as I always say, what do I say? The raw taste of ginger or garlic, जब it starts going away, it's time to move to the next. What's the next? That's important. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें हमारा चिकन, ओके। सो लिटरली ये जो चिकन है जिंजर गार्लिक है, थोड़ी सी ये चिली भी हमने ठोक ली है इसमें, ओके। So we have our chicken gone in here as well, to which we going to be adding थोड़ा सा नमक, and then हमारे 16 spices वाला मंत्रा का चिकन मसाला. So about a tablespoon and a half of mantra chicken masala made with 16 spices. Now we are searing the chicken, sealing all the juices. Okay, very important that you are actually cooking in a nice pan. Very important, very, very important. You know, when you're cooking in a big pot and when you have so much chicken or anything to cook with, you waste a lot of energy. But when you're cooking a lot of things in a small pot, it doesn't cook well, okay? वो अच्छा color नहीं आता है. You know, at the end of the day, it needs time, it needs space to breathe, okay? So now you can see कि इसका जो मुखड़ा है बहुत ही amazing हो गया. So while this is happening now, what I'm going to do, while this is happening, अभी हम इसमें 3 मीडियम साइज टमाटर जो हमने काटे हैं इसमें डाल देते हैं. परफेक्ट. तो अभी हम डालते हैं इसमें लिटरली I would say 1/4 of a cup of pani. Okay. I have a nice green bell pepper. I've got this thing for green bell peppers and chicken. I don't know क्या है, लेकिन जो फ्लेवर आता है ना, I don't know how to explain to you. That's the main thing. ये जो राउंडनेस बोलते हैं, फ्लेवर आती है, okay, that the bell peppers give their own kind of sweetness to it. They give a whole character to it. And being saag, being green, and green bell peppers आजकल इतने यूज़ भी नहीं करते हैं. आजकल जो येलो और रेड जो आ गए हैं, हमारे जो ग्रीन जो है ना, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा स्वाद है अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आर बीइंग यूज्ड लेस, विच इज़ क्वाइट नॉट गुड. सो जस्ट उसको हम हल्के से ऐसे, what I can do, I can cut this into strips, I can cut it into nice triangles like that, जैसे आपका मन चाहे. ओके, सो इसको हम ऐसे चाइनीज काइंड ऑफ स्टाइल में चंकी काट रहे हैं. एंड नाउ लुक एट दैट. ओके, ब्यूटिफुल. एंड यू नो, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई बिलीव it's all about freshness. Okay, fresh produce, fresh ideas, fresh people, you know, that's the name of the game. Now I'm going to be adding some nice 1 tablespoon or so of lemon. Okay, lemon, saag chicken hai to lemon to jana hi hai. And remember, later on you can always adjust lemon. ओके, कभी आप इसमें ऑरेंज जूस भी डाल सकते हो. अगर मौसम्बी थोड़ी सी मीठी है, मौसम्बी का भी जूस डाल सकते हो along with your lemons. Okay, so you got a very nice, amazing dish going on here. Beautiful. Now if I wanted, I could make this chicken really brown. How would I make this chicken brown? अगर मैं प्याज को बिल्कुल और ज़्यादा भूनता, it would become really dark brown in color, which is also good. But I'm not really looking for that kind of flavor. You know, I'm looking for a more lighter flavor, almost like a ghar ka, almost like a dhaba style. That's what I'm looking for. Next, we're going to be adding cream to this. Lovely. अभी थोड़ी सी आधा कप अभी हम क्रीम इसमें डाल रहे हैं, और आज फिर हम डालेंगे हमारी जो पालक जो हमने ब्लांच की है. लुक एट दैट, वाओ, अमेजिंग, ब्यूटीफुल. सो दिस इज द साग गोइंग इनटू माय लेमन चिकन. ओके, फैंटास्टिको. और फिर हम इसे प्यार से मिक्स कर देते हैं. लुक हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस इज. ओके, नाइस. लुक एट द वाइब्रेंट लवली ग्रीन कलर. हाँ, बिल्कुल इतना हेल्थी लग रहा है. इफ यू गो टू सी, हमने कुछ ज़्यादा इसमें ऑयल यूज़ भी नहीं किया है. एंड द काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन विच यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस ग्रीनरी एंड द फ्लेवर्स दैट यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम मंत्रा चिकन मसाला एंड दीज लवली लेमन्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स मी द शेफ इज़ अनबिलीवेबल. अभी हम इसमें थोड़ी सी और क्रीम मिला लेते हैं. इट्स नॉट ऑप्शनल, बट यू नो, फेस्टिव सीजन भी हो रहा है, मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट. ब्यूटीफुल. And our chicken is ready. And now it's time to plate this gorgeous lemon chicken. So really lovely, lush flavor. The capsicum is still nice and crispy inside. I haven't overcooked it. The leaves, look at the color. ये जो color जो आप देख रहे हो, it's because of the blanching technique. Okay. नहीं तो you remember, you go to a restaurant. A lot of the restaurants actually use green color. Okay. So I like to use it. थोड़ा सा क्रीम डाल देते हैं हम गार्निश के लिए थोड़ा. Beautiful. I think it's that time of the year when everybody loves eating hearty, delicious food. Exactly यही है आपके साथ. Saag chicken with lemon. Only exclusively for you, made with Mantra chicken masala. Enjoy.